Welcome back to the Grilling Oasis. Got a quick grocery haul for you all today. I went to Publix, so I loaded up some things that we needed. First off, we're going to start off with the dog food for our puppy, our 15-year-old puppy. But she likes this dog food, the Blue Wilderness, with chicken. It used to say with Life Source bits too, so I don't know if they changed the formula or not, but hopefully she'll still like it. Y'all let me know if y'all tried this dog food or even the cat food in this blue brand. It's supposed to be a good one. We've been enjoying it so far. I got 2 of these Fresh Express salad kits. I like the bacon Caesar one. They're really good. I got 2 of those because they were BOGO at Publix. And then I had to get some more of the tuna fish. This is the one that I like. There's a couple more I like too, but I like this one. Solid white albacore tuna in water. And it's a Star Kiss. And if you see the ingredients, it's just white tuna, water, and sea salt. So some of the other ones have soy in them, which is an allergy for me and my son. So we don't eat that. So we like this brand. Does us really good. Had to get some more pepper. Just got the Publix brand pepper. And then this Sola Bread. See, it has 2 grams net carbs. We got the golden wheat. They also have a sweet oat, I think, but I think it has 3 net carbs. So here are the nutrition facts or the macros if you're interested. And the ingredients there, you can see them. See, it has 7 total carbs, 4 dietary fiber, and 1 sugar alcohol. So that gets you down to 2 grams net carbs for 1 slice. And it tastes pretty normal to me. We do keto, low carb sometime. Just try and eat healthier when we can. So we'll use this bread. OT likes it too, so that's a plus. I got some seasoning salt. I just get a Publix brand. Get the ingredients on that. Everything you can read. No natural flavors or anything. And then I'm going to try a dessert with this pumpkin because it's supposed to be like lower carb than sweet potato. So OT loves the sweet potato pie, but I'm trying to get him on this pumpkin and see if he likes it. You can see the nutrition facts there. And the ingredients, just pumpkin. So I got 2 cans of that. So I'm going to try maybe like a pumpkin casserole. Something like that. Like a knockoff on a sweet potato casserole. I got 2 bottles of the Bertolli olive oil. The extra light taste though, because I'm going to try and make our own mayonnaise. And this is the one they said that would be good to use, is the extra light, because it doesn't have that strong olive oil flavor. And so the mayo would just taste like mayo instead of olives. So I got 2 of those. They were BOGO at Publix. And then I restocked up on this 4C grated cheese, all natural Parmesan. It doesn't have the cellulose powder in it, which a lot of those do. Other brands do. And you can see, just grated Parmesan cheese and some enzymes, cheese culture, part skim milk. And my son really likes his Parmesan, so I have to keep that in stock. There's the nutrition facts for you. Next, I've been hearing a lot about Kettle and Fire brand. They say it's some really, really good bone broth. Bone broth is supposedly good for your health. If you catch a cold or anything like that, it's really good to keep your protein up when you're not able to eat as much as you usually do. It has 10 grams of protein per serving. I got the classic chicken bone broth. Here are the nutrition facts. So just 1 gram of carbs for 1 cup, if that interests you. And then here is the ingredients, really clean ingredients. And that's the chicken one. And then I also got the beef one, classic beef. And you see it's made with 100% grass-fed beef bones. So grass-fed is supposed to be better for you. Here's the nutrition facts. 1 cup on that one is 0 carbs. Both of them have 10 grams of protein though. And then here are the ingredients on the beef broth. So I like to keep this going into the winter months. Might make soups with it, or if we get sick, hopefully not, then we can just sip on this to keep our energy up and keep our electrolytes up. All right, something I was really excited to find at Publix. I've got them there before, but this one, they were BOGO. Yeah, BOGO. So I got 4 of those bad babies because that made them like $3 and some change a piece. So I like the semi-sweet. If you don't know what these are just stevia sweetened, like semi-sweet chocolate chips. So it's less sugar and it's no sugar added. And they use stevia to sweeten it. So you can see the information right there. So you can get about 30 of those chips. Total fat 4 grams. Total carbs are 8, but then you have 5 dietary fiber and then 3 erythritol. So this has erythritol and stevia that it is sweetened with. And here are the ingredients on it. I can focus there to get it. There we go. So these don't have any soy either, which I really, really like. So if you like these lilies, let me know in the comment section down below. This was a great deal. So go check it out if you have a Publix nearby. And the net weight is 9 ounces on this one. So I got 4 of those. Then I also got 2 of the regular chocolate chips for my sons. They love chocolate chip cookies. So here are the nutrition facts on that. Let's see. And here are the ingredients. So it's just 3 ingredients. Okay, organic cane sugar, organic chocolate, and organic cocoa butter. So those are really good ingredients. No soy in these either. So I'll make his chocolate chip cookies with this. And with these, we also make different kind of things with it. We put them in a trail mix that I make, so I may show the recipe to that later on. Also, I got 2 of these au jus gravy mix packets. I have never seen this before, but my sister wanted some. So I got her the 2 packets, but I might go back and get me one just to try. It does, let's see, there are the ingredients. It does have soy, so I probably won't be trying it after all. But let me know if you've seen these and if you use these. 1 gram of carb there. And it just says, add the mix and 3 cups cold water. Next thing I was happy to see was the Honest Kids organic. They haven't been on sale in a while, or I haven't caught them on sale in a while. And my sons are home, so they like the juice. So I got the Very Good Lemonade, and I got the Goodness Greatness. He likes both of these. He likes all the flavors, actually. I wanted Fruit Punch, but I could not find it. So I think somebody had already bought them out on that. But here are the nutrition facts. It's 30% juice. So for 1 pouch, it's got 10 grams of carbs, 9 grams of sugar. So not quite as much sugar as some of the other brands out there. But he likes it. And then we also got bubbly sparkling water. OT likes these a lot. They're basically just zero everything. I can show you. Nutrition facts, see? No sugar, no carbs. Nothing in there, just flavored water. And this one is the peach, which I actually like too. And then we also got the blackberry, which OT likes. All right, one more thing, family. I forgot to take this out of the freezer, but this was a part of the haul too. I got the Rebel, 4-gram net carbs per pint. It's the butter pecan flavor. That's the one OT likes. And it's pretty good. OT thinks. I haven't tried it myself because I cannot do the lactose that well. But they're the ingredients. Been hearing a lot about this Rebel ice cream. So if you like it, let us know down in the comments below. Let us know your favorite flavor. All right, that's it for the haul. Talk to y'all later, family. Be safe. Bye.